Here's a piece of advice coming from an employment lawyer that has handled hundreds of employment cases and theft of trade secret cases. If you use a computer at work or a laptop at home that's issued by your company, you can assume that there's no privacy. You can assume that your laptop most likely has a keylogging software installed on it. Some of the most popular keylogging software is Terramine, Sentry PC, and Software Activity Tracker. What a keylogging software does is that it is installed by your company IT department, and they can track all of your activity on your work computer. Some of the activities that they can track are websites and applications that you have used on a day-to-day basis, how much time you've spent on each website or on a particular software. They can track your software activity, like what you're doing on it. They can take screenshots, whether or not you're active at your computer. They can track your passwords that you have used on your corporate computer. In the event of a non-compete or a theft of trade secret case, they can even track whenever you copy a large number of files, which directory, which file you've copied. They will detect if you have connected an external drive or a thumb drive to your computer, the date and time and what you did. They can track if you've deleted a bunch of documents or files on your computer, and they will be able to track where your secret files or images are. So it's a good idea not to use your work computer for personal purposes, not only because it's not a good practice, it's against company policy sometimes, but it can also be something that you don't want to expose yourself to corporate surveillance. The reason why is that if you did something illegal on your computer that you use for work, your company will know about it, and they may have obligations to report it to law enforcement. And in the event of a wrongful termination case or a non-compete or an accusation of theft of trade secret, they could use that against you. Okay, back to work.